guys, I'm going to teach you how to make an outlet and a switch glitter cover case for your room. You're going to need a light switch, which I got from Home Depot, and a spray paint, glitter spray paint. Also, you're going to need Podge, okay? Podge, but this brand. You're going to need some fine glitter, and I have an extra glitter, but it's not fine, but I just wanted it to give that, gold concept. Then you're gonna get these little soft brushes and a container to put the glitter in. You can get like a little paint bucket kind of thing, a small one. First, you're gonna pour some Mod Podge. Not too much and not too little at the same time, just right to get it covered. You want it to be a liquid consistency. Then you're gonna pour your glitter, all of them, the extra fine, the 3 glitter mix, and then you're gonna stir it until it gives more of a paint consistency. Then you're gonna brush along. Do like 2 or 3 coats to really get it covered on the light switch. Everyone get this brand of spray paint. I will put it on the link below. This one is better than other ones that I've tried. This one really gives you this glitter finish and it really makes it sparkle and pop. Then let it dry for a couple of hours or a day.